The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. We are now on the 22nd Sunday in Ordinary Time. And how quick time passes. We are now on the 31st of August. And this Sunday is a Social Justice Sunday. We are promoting justice in all the corners of our society. Let this Sunday be remembered for those on the peripheries, for those people who have been subjected to unjust situation, and those people who are poor, who are vulnerable, those people who have no one to help them. In our Gospel, according to St. Luke, chapter 14, verses 1 and 7 to 14, the Lord told a parable about going into the banquet, that we should not be choosing the primary, the prominent seats. Rather, we should be at the humble position. And when we invite people at the banquet, invite those who cannot invite us in return. My dear friends, our society today is full of people who bring on the pedestal those people who have name, those people who have achieved, those people who have money, and those people whom they considered ideal according to what our society dictates. But the Lord is reminding us all, a pedestal should also be for those people who are nameless, powerless, vulnerable, and weak. We always want to put people on the pedestal, those who can bring us up, like those who are already rich and powerful. But what about those who are nameless? What about those weak? What about those vulnerable? Let us never forget what the Lord said. Those who are being humbled will be the one who will be lifted up. Let us not be instruments of persecution. Let us not be instruments of disparity between the rich and the poor. And let us never discriminate anyone, because we will be judged according to how we treat those poor, vulnerable, and on the fringes of our society. My dear friends, whenever we see injustice, whenever we see poverty, whenever we see suffering, do not be comfortable with what your eyes could see. Because if we are comfortable with suffering, with poverty, with injustice, then we are doomed and we will never enter the kingdom of God. Let us comfort the uncomfortable, and let us remind the untouchables that the top is not forever for them. God bless.